Location at San Diego, California. Neighbors, this young man rang my doorbell at 10:30 at night.
杀生靠中国，现在我有冰淇淋，我很多碗冰淇淋，这是16系列有冰淇淋。
I believe that this encounter was a prank. His friends probably dared him to do this. This clip is also at San Diego, California. Original poster says that a man followed me home today. Man followed me into private residence area and proceeded to look through windows. Age 30 to 40-year-old, white t-shirt, black pants and black sneakers, Hispanic, 200 pounds, left forearm tattoos, dark hair, buzzed hair on the side and receding hairline, short mustache. Please contact with relevant information. Location at Albuquerque, New Mexico. In this clip, a woman opens my own package at my front door, and she also takes the items from the package and leaves. Here, watch the full clip. The Ring camera unfortunately did not record the full event, but the woman did leave with the stolen goods. This clip is located at San Diego, California. In this clip, breaking and entering was captured on the Ring camera. The man in the video claimed to be a termite inspector. Here's what the original poster said. This guy forced open our locked gate and wanted to enter the house, claiming to be a termite inspector. If you see this man, don't let him in. Located at Los Angeles, California. In this clip, two coyotes fighting each other. Then one of them jumps inside my fence. Everybody please be safe. In this clip, a stranger steals a Ring doorbell at midnight. I don't know why the person would steal the doorbell, but at least the homeowner got footage of the man stealing his doorbell. Located at Detroit, Michigan. In this clip, a break-in happened at broad daylight, caught by a Blink indoor camera. Here, watch the rest of the clip. There is a second clip of this incident, with more intruders. Second clip. Here comes more intruders coming into the building. They attempt to break down the front door. Next clip is located at Memphis, Tennessee. As you see, stranger rings doorbell. What the stranger was doing was that this guy came up on my porch and painted the bottoms of his shoes and walked all over my porch. Very weird. This clip is also located at Memphis, Tennessee. As you see in this clip, a pickup truck pulls up onto the homeowner's driveway, and then the punk runs to the visible packages at the front door, grabs multiple packages, and the man runs to his truck. Have notifications when your items arrive to prevent porch pirates. Located at Detroit, Michigan. This idiot stole my front porch light. Now I have to replace it. Very, very annoying. They really steal everything. Shaking my head. This happened at 1 in the morning. when I was asleep. Ring clip located at Indianapolis, Indiana. In this clip, the dude on his girl bike stole 2 packages. Also notable because he's using his child carrier to hold the stolen packages. He's got located at Detroit, Michigan. 2 young boys, but old enough to know better, decided to come kick my door and run. He kicked it so hard that he broke the storm window and glass was everywhere. I feel like their parents should be paying for the damages. Ring clip located at Indianapolis, Indiana. Person walking on my property. Also our neighbor's house. The stranger decides to ring the doorbell. Then, it looks like he's waiting for a response. A minute goes by, so he rings the doorbell again. By the way, this occurred at 5 in the morning. After no one responded, the stranger wanders around the homeowner's property and also the neighbors for almost 8 minutes. There's a second clip of this. Second clip. In the second clip, you see a cop shows up for a suspicious person walking around.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, good. Can
You
you
know your
step in?
neighbors? No, it's fine. You know your neighbors?
Yeah.
What's his name?
David?
David?
I don't know his last name.
Okay.
Not off the top of my head.
Well, this guy said, so he's cleaning up. I'm pretty sure was...
No, he's been ringing and ringing and ringing our doorbell trying to get
Your
in.
doorbell?
Mine, yes. I'm the one that called. He's been trying to get mine.
They told me that he's ringing the neighbor's doorbell.
No. Well, no, I don't even think my neighbor's home. Was there a blue car in the driveway?
No, he's not.
No, he's out of town.
So you don't
then.
know this guy from
Dude,
Christmas?
no, sir.
And we've seen him on the ring for the past 45 minutes.
Yeah, he's been here since 5 o'clock. He's been on our ring since 5 o'clock trying to ring our doorbell. But no, he does not belong next door. He's a single man that lives next door that is out of town if his car's not there.
And that's not even his brother that used to live with him.
Yeah, he said he's a hobo, but so he's here cleaning up the leaves. I'm like, come on, man, I'm not stupid.
Yeah.
5 o'clock in the morning in the cold.
Yeah.
So, make sure he didn't have any warrants, I'll send him on his way.
Clip located at Memphis, Tennessee. A suspicious man lurking in the neighborhood. This man rings the doorbell at midnight. Then the guy leaves. But the guy goes to another home nearby, which was caught by another ring camera. Here's the clip. Same person from last clip. Now spotted at a different property. The suspicious person gets caught by the homeowner talking through the Ring doorbell camera. Here's the full clip.
Why you at my door?
Hey, man, I need a towel stuck out. I need you.
Somebody finna come help you.
Get your ass off my patio. You got some help coming. I got some help coming. Get off my damn patio.
No, get away from my door.
I certainly appreciate it.
What do you think he was trying to accomplish?
He needs some help getting putting that little funky phone or whatever up. Talking about I need some help. Get your ass off my patio.
Thanks for watching. Leave a like to support the channel, it's much appreciated. Other videos you can watch now, click one of the 2 videos you see on your screen.